The circle is a common shape in architecture. Without beginning or end, it's often used as a symbol of infinity. And because the very definition of a circle is the set of points that is equidistant from the center, a circle is often used for a gathering of equals. Think of the Knights of the Round Table, for instance. Which brings us to this flagpole. It looks like a circle, and it looks like a great place for a gathering. But I have to wonder, is it actually a circle? Let's go back to that definition of what a circle is. One way we could figure out whether the pavers in this area actually make a circle is to determine if every single, or perhaps at random points, are equidistant from the center flagpole. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we measured several points from the flagpole, and we saw that it's about 12 feet all the way around, which tells us that this is actually a circle, and a great place for a gathering of equals. You know, another question that I have while we're standing here is maybe how could we figure out the area of this particular space? And since we've already measured the radius, or the distance from the center to the edge of the circle, that's a question that we can answer easily. So we know the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. And we've already measured the radius of this circular area, and that's 12. We can approximate the value of pi as 3. So the area of this space around the flagpole is 3 times 12 squared, or 3 times 144. And so the actual area of this space is 3 times 100, or 300, plus 3 times 44, which is 132. So our estimate for the area around the flagpole is 432 square feet. But why would I even want to know that? Well, there are lots of practical reasons why we might want to know the area of this particular flagpole space. One might be is if we need to resod the area around the Texas Lodge. We definitely want to know how much space is not going to be taken up by the grass. Of course, if this is also a gathering space, we'd want to know how many people could fit here. So we need to know the area of the space and then the space that one person would take up. So again, there are lots of reasons why we might want to calculate and wonder about the area here. As I walk around the Texas Lodge and this flagpole area, there are lots of other questions that we might be interested in. We could discover the perimeter or the circumference of this area. We might want to also think about the shapes in these pavers here. They look to be rectangular. They're definitely quadrilaterals, but I'm not quite sure. We'd have to take a closer look. So I'm going to invite you to be a STEM explorer and come on over to the Texas Lodge and find and answer some of your very own questions. And that's Walk STEM.